Is your Dodge Charger's alarm randomly activating? This issue, common in Chargers from 2006 to 2023, often stems from a few key culprits. The most frequent causes are faulty door or hood switches, a malfunctioning RF hub, or overly sensitive alarm settings. Here's how to troubleshoot. First, understand the system. The alarm is triggered by sensors at entry points. Start by checking your door and hood switches for corrosion or misalignment. These magnetic switches can send false open signals. Next, consider the RF hub, which handles key fob communication. Its failure can cause erratic behavior. Finally, your alarm sensitivity might be too high, reacting to vibrations or wind. Ignoring this can lead to constant false alarms and a drained battery. As of 2025, software updates and DIY fixes are increasingly common solutions. For older Dodge Charger models, hardware fixes are often necessary to resolve alarm issues. Start by replacing corroded door and hood switches, which can send false signals to the alarm system. You can also try resetting the alarm sensitivity through the vehicle's body control module. For 2019-2023 models, check for firmware updates from Stellantis that recalibrate sensitivity and fix RF hub issues. These updates can reduce false alarms by up to 40% and are often completed in under an hour. If DIY isn't suitable, professional diagnostics cost $100 to $300 and use scan tools to identify BCM faults. Stay proactive with regular cleaning of switches and software updates to prevent future alarm issues.